people. Oh, look at this. Too much. These are all rat poos, okay? So I'm going to put a trap right here. This is how I'm going to do. This is a corn, little corn, so they can eat. Because what I would do is put corn here. I need to put this thing here. This is super glue. I put super glue here. So the super glue was keep the corn here. Okay. Ooh! Before I catch the rat, I catch myself first. This is very hard. This thing is very hard, very rough too. I catch myself first. I caught myself first. Okay. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. This is it. Shoo. Put one here. Put one here. When the rat get this one, and then he gonna smell this one. That's how we trap the rat. That is about super glue. Because the corn, it's hard to put the corn on that little pin here. Okay. So hopefully I'll catch one. This the poison. The poison don't work. It doesn't matter how much they eat, the rat's still coming. So that means the poison doesn't work. This is an Asian mouse trap. I got it from Vietnam, I think. Okay. Morning. Good morning, people. I'm going to see my mouse trap that I put a trap last night, okay? A mouse trap. So I'm going to see if I'm lucky enough to catch something. Whoa! Look like I got a mouse. There it is. There it is. Too small. Too small. People, this is the poison, okay? This is the poison. I put the poison all over here. But for some reason, the poison doesn't work. They ate them all. They ate them all, but the rat's still coming. The mouse still coming. So lucky I caught one last night. This is it. This is it. So look at that. These are the little poison food that I put here. Rat everywhere. Rat poo everywhere. See? I put them here. I put one here. I put one down on the ground. but they still keep coming. So lucky I caught one. I'm gonna put the trap there one more day, one more night to see if I can catch some more. I got one here. I'm gonna put in the trash can. Hopefully tomorrow I catch some more with the two trap. Oh, what's that?